Ayibobo.
Ayibobo, Ayibobo.
Nous-mêmes, nous sommes un peuple souverain. Que nous-mêmes, nous prenons responsabilité nous par rapport à nous connaissons l'histoire. Que nous-mêmes, nous ne pas faire bac avec le travail nous, que papa nous t'est mort pour nous, qu'il t'est quitté pour nous te faire. Et kunya tout, nous-mêmes, nous prenons responsabilité nous, nous faisons comité de quartier, et puis nous formons tout, tous les amis, tous les compatriotes nous, pour nous faire un travail sérieux.
C'est vrai.
Et c'est lui tout que papa nous t'a montré nous tout. Drapeau noir et rouge nous, lui-même, actuellement là, nous avons un drapeau bleu et rouge blanc, c'est drapeau malnutrition. Et bien nous-mêmes, nous montons drapeau nous bureau qui c'est drapeau noir et rouge nous, et bien nous connaissons, non, là, son là, être suprême non, c'est comme ça, nous avons frappé dans la cité abondance, numéro 108.
Ayibobo, Ayibobo, salaamu alaikum. We salute everyone. These are the representatives of the city Abondance in Kinskoff. They are the one pushing the work. Like they were saying, we understand we are the children of the empire. We stand sovereign under our flag to do a work for ourselves and for our people in the name of Allah, in the name of our ancestors. What we have been suffering here these last few days, we have the armed groups that came across and attacked the sovereign people here doing their work, agriculture. You can see the tools in the brothers' hands. Recently, yesterday, we've been telling the people that we are under attack both by armed groups who said they are fighting revolution, and we want to let the world know that they are not the only one fighting for revolution. They chose the arms, we chose the economics. But now, yesterday we came under attack by the police and the Kenyan forces who came and assassinated 3 members of the community. We know it's not the first time. They came in this area yesterday. There seemed to be somebody pointing the finger to them and showing them what to and what to do and where to go. We are here to express this, letting the people know we are looking to expose our work in civilizing our people, taking our responsibility. We are here to expose the work of the enemy that has been coming here and killing our people. We are looking for the support. How? Let's get this thing out to the media. Let's understand what must be done in the empire to get our people back on their feet. To all our brothers and sisters, friends and family of the righteous, support this work and let's keep moving forward, because no more can this thing be happening without something being done. We must set the example. We're not here to play. We're here to produce. We're here to improve our lives. We're here to make friends. We're here to change our condition. We'd like to thank you, and let's stay in contact. And once again, these brothers are the victims of the Kenyan officers. One of the brothers that were killed is actually the uncle of this brother sitting behind me. We'd like to let the world know this is not a free-for-all. This is the land of the brave. This is the land of the free. This is the land of the righteous. We're here to repent and do our best and to do something for ourselves. Let's move forward. Ayibobo.